From the sharp, clean cuts through timber to the thunderous crash of falling trees, every moment is breathtakingly real. Join Hall Tech and explore the world of forestry machines, where raw power meets precision engineering in an unforgettable experience. This is not a job for the faint of heart. Skilled loggers face intense challenges deep in the snow-covered forest, where every fallen tree feels like a warning sign. With the hardest part over, they enter the decisive phase, transportation. Heavy snowfall makes the mountain more dangerous than ever. Every meter traveled is now a race against nature. If this video surprised you, drop a 1 in the comments. Your support is what fuels our creativity and keeps us going. Combining advanced technology and powerful performance, the Gens chipper truck delivers outstanding performance in wood processing. Equipped with a 132 horsepower engine and a 1,400 millimeter crushing drum, the machine can crush up to 500 cubic meters of wood per hour, from small branches to large trees, with high stability and efficiency. He modernized his wood-cutting system by installing an advanced Meringer saw frame. This system features automatic width adjustment, allowing 3 handles to be cut simultaneously without the need for manual repositioning. Additionally, components such as automatic clamps, auxiliary supports, ring knives, and a pre-cutting unit were integrated, creating an efficient and professional production line. The stump didn't stand a chance. Flames, molten iron, and sheer explosive power took it out in seconds. This is definitely a method of land clearing you won't find in any user manual. The John Deere 640H is specifically engineered to meet the demands of heavy-duty work in forestry environments. With a powerful engine, robust frame, and flexible operation, it's the ideal choice for timber skidding and handling heavy materials. High performance, absolute reliability. The Vermeer BC 1000XL is designed to optimize wood crushing performance. With two engine options, Cat Diesel 49 horsepower or Turbo 85 horsepower, the machine operates powerfully and stably, easily processing branches and organic materials with high speed and outstanding durability. Chopping down trees is like a giant game of dominoes. It's a truly satisfying and eye-catching sight. The T40 is a true testament to durability and long-term performance. Compared to many modern machines, it continues to prove its effectiveness through real-world, time-tested experience.
Чёт.
The Galatrax 800 is a heavy-duty forest clearing machine equipped with a 765 horsepower engine. Thanks to its superior performance, the machine can effectively handle a variety of terrain and obstacles, such as thick brush, large trees, or stubborn stumps, providing high performance in all working conditions. This crawler tractor pulling a knife roller is truly impressive in action. Thanks to the machine's weight combined with the sharp blades, it moves smoothly, clearing paths and crushing obstacles with ease. The automation system operates smoothly and with absolute precision. Difficult jobs are now just a push of a button. This tree stump remover lifts tree stumps with ease, maximizing work productivity. The sight of the Tatra Phoenix 8x8 powering through the muddy forest is absolutely mesmerizing. And it's all thanks to a brave cameraman who captured every moment. If you're impressed by this beast power, drop a 2 in the comments. Want to cheer on the driver? Hit 1. No need for bulky machinery. This compact brush saw took care of a massive oak stump in just 30 minutes. No mess, no damage to the yard. Just quick, clean, and efficient. Stump removal is no longer a nightmare. Witnessing the carts heavily loaded with wood as they make their way along the rugged mountain slopes. Every movement reflects a blend of precision and courage. These are the silent heroes, and they absolutely deserve our respect. If you don't plan ahead, the results will be terrible. Can you believe it? This is a homemade stump grinder that works just as well as the store-bought ones. It's truly impressive. But before you get too excited, remember that safety always comes first. No matter how good a machine is, we still need to use it properly to keep everyone safe. When mechanical power is combined with the advantage of leverage, tree stump removal is not only based on force, but also requires precise calculation. With a force ratio of 28:1, the stubborn tree stump is pulled up really satisfying. When this machine passes through, everything is cleaned up. This machine was built to remove stumps. Watching it in action is truly captivating. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing that kind of raw power at work. Once you start watching, it's hard to look away. When it comes to top-of-the-line equipment, the HTZ 1200 Plus is certainly not out of the list. The 45/55 kilowatt motor combined with a 160 to 180 millimeter cutting blade makes it the ideal choice for those who need power, precision, and reliability in every operation. The Hayes truck remains the undisputed king of the West Coast, not just for its powerful performance, but for its all-around operational excellence. Its strength is impressive, but it's the stability and reliability that truly set it apart. The Ponce Weisant is redefining the standard in the forestry industry. Its 8-wheel drive system delivers exceptional traction and stability, while the ergonomically designed cabin ensures operator comfort and efficiency, even during long shifts. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 is a complete solution, optimized for maximum efficiency on the job. With its streamlined design and advanced technology, this machine helps you accomplish more in less time. It's an investment in reliable performance and precision.